Attention Texans, you just bought yourself 20 tons of bright, shiny stuff, and you paid top dollar for it to boot. Fox 26's Greg Grugan is here. All right, Greg, please share details.
Dom, call it risky, call it shrewd, call it whatever you want, but Texas is now sitting on a very big pile of gold.
The Texas Longhorns have been known to take some big gambles on the gridiron, but rarely have those who handled the UT system's substantial savings account made a more attention-grabbing wager. A $1 billion buy of pure gold bullion, more than 41,000 pounds of the precious metal stored safely in a New York City vault.
This is just a bet on the value of a dollar decline and ultimately a rise in gold prices for them. Their job is to make money for their endowment. That's what they do.
Street Talk Advisors Lance Roberts says, considering the credit downgrade of U.S. government debt, the UT purchase, even at more than $1,400 an ounce, may prove both prudent and profitable.
Short-term basis, probably a good move. Longer-term basis, it's really questionable because it is a fear-based trade, and as soon as we tackle some of our economic problems and start to turn the ship, gold will no longer be as attractive.
All my gold coins, 1 ounce gold coins, have sold out the door today.
At Houston Gold Exchange, they tell us Texans are getting the message loud and clear. That is, when the so-called smartest guys in the room are hedging against hard financial times with gold, maybe they should too.
But I'm also getting the 87-year-old grandmother who walks in here and just doesn't see anywhere else to put her money. She doesn't believe in CDs. She doesn't trust the stock market. She wants a solid asset, and that's what gold is.
Dom, that $1 billion investment is about 5% of the Texas UT Fund permanent endowment.
Wow, and that could turn out to be a big thing. That could turn out to be a really good thing for them.
I think it could be a great recruiting tool. We could bring in those recruits who are on the fence and let them sit in the vault with all the gold.
Yeah, where do you store all that stuff? If I buy gold because I want to invest in it, where in the world do I store it? Do I make it a footstool in my family room?
Well, UT hired out a vault in New York City, and so it's all sitting there, all 41,000 plus pounds.
Wow, I like the idea of turning it into a footstool.
Well,
what would you do with it, Tom?